Hey, what's up guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Summer's here and the world is beginning to open back up and people are starting to travel now more than ever. But before you load up that family truckster and head out to destinations unknown, I suggest you take a step back and consider today's tip: vehicle maintenance. Specifically, your basic oil change. As hectic as the last 12 months have been, chances are getting oil change was the last thing on your mind. But make no mistake, regular oil changes is one of the best ways to make sure that your vehicle will last for years to come. But fresh oil is only half the story. You want to make sure that any contaminants flowing through your engine gets captured and removed. And the best way to do that is with a quality oil filter, which is why I rely on today's video sponsor, Fram. GAC has been in business since 1946, and Fram has been a trusted supplier of quality parts ever since.
Fram Force oil filters are the perfect option for drivers who experience extreme conditions while behind the wheel.
Hauling, towing, stop and go traffic, all these can wear hectic on your engine. The Fram Force oil filter is engineered for all types of oil and is designed to deliver advanced performance and protection for up to 15,000 miles. And that's perfect for those of us who might not be able to get into the shop every 3,000 miles. Whether you do it yourself or have it done professionally, always ask for Fram. Fram, trusted since 1934.